Okay, I'm back. So, these are the things I'm going to show you today. This mailbox, this suitcase, and a couple of decorative jars. There. Oop, there. Come on. Oh, focus. Alright, hang on. There we go. Okay, this suitcase is the hardest thing so far, just to let you know. So let me show you here. So here's the little post box. It was 3 pieces. This top piece you fold in half and glue and you cut the center out. And the bottom piece you fold in half and glue. And then you fold up the middle part and glue the 2 pieces together. Not difficult. And here's the 2 decorative boxes. This was a little more difficult. You wind this up. It's a long piece of paper, and you wind it up and you put the top and the bottom on. And then this is also a long piece that you glue like the rim to the lid. Very tiny. And this is a little coffee one. It's the same idea. And this one's narrower in comparison. And they tell you the dimensions in the little directions, but I wound it around this just to get it coiled, and then just put glue inside and just kept twisting it like this until I got it to fit the size of the top. Oh, I guess a virus protector on my computer. But this suitcase, oh my goodness gracious, this suitcase. You'll notice, maybe, assuming it's in focus, you will notice that there is glue everywhere because this thing was a pain. Okay, so you put together the big brown part, the actual case. That's easy. Then each of these little corners, those are not printed on there. Each of those little corners look like this. And then you put some glue on it and you bend it to glue together. And then you put it on each corner. And then cutting this out, this part here, was a real pain. My scissors are a little big. I need smaller ones, I think. But trying to get in around these little knobs on here, you can see it's not very close. I left a bunch of paper. Oh well. And then gluing all the pieces together. Well, some of this glue is going to come off, so that's not bad. And the little handle. It looks really cute though. Like, I guess worth it, right? I mean, it's pretty cute. Just looks kind of messy. I'm afraid if I scrape at this too much, it's going to pop off some of the pieces. So we'll just accept it as it is. Ugh. Okay, so that's what I did there. The next things that I will be doing that I will show you next time, some boxes, what does that even say? Pep capsules? Okay, sure. So some little boxes, including that emblem that I cut out on accident. A kettle that looks like it's entirely paper except for the bead. Oh, and an espresso. It looks like an espresso maker. Wow. Maybe I'll make this. I can't tell if this has See, this looks like, oh, I guess, are you, I can't tell if this has some of that plastic on it or not, because if it does, I'm going to skip that. And same with this. If this doesn't have like some type of a bead or something instead of that plastic, I'm going to skip that one too. Yeah, so I'll be doing some of these and I will show you and give you tips when I get back. I'm getting antsy. I want to get to the part where I'm, you know what, I might skip ahead and do some of these so that I feel better about using the clear, the transparent membrane as they call it. I'm afraid to cut it up because I'm afraid I'm going to cut up pieces that I need for the big stuff. So maybe I will start on some of that. Yeah, let's do that. So I might do a couple of things here, and then I'll do a couple of things here, and I'll come back next time and I will show you what I did and give you any suggestions that I have. Thanks for watching.